Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Watson again. Today I'm going to be teaching you your notes for the next chapter. Chapter 8, we're going to talk about polygons, we're going to talk about angles, and we're going to talk about circles and some ratios of similarity. The big thing I want you to do though is I just want to make sure that you have the following notes about angles and the sum of angles and interior and exterior angles in your notes so that we don't have to take time in class taking them. First off, let's call this Chapter 8 notes. Chapter 8 angle notes. So first off, I'm going to be using the variable n, and that equals the number of sides. Okay, and the first thing I want to talk about is if I ask you to find the sum of the angles in a polygon, that's my first one I want you to know, sum of angles in a polygon. You're going to use this formula right here. Sum, S, equals n minus 2 times 180. Okay? We're going to talk a lot about regular polygons and non-regular polygons. Remember, the word regular equals a regular polygon. All sides and angles are equal. Okay, so just so you know those two, I'm going to be doing a flow chart on the next page, and that next page is going to talk about regular, and they're going to talk about non-regular. The sum of angles in a polygon can be used for any polygon, but the other formulas that I have for you do differ for if I'm talking about regular or non-regular. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Here's what I'm going to do. I've got this flow chart, and I have the name Polygon. Okay, and then I'm going to go regular. Remember, that's all sides and angles are equal. And I'm going to also have a non-regular. Okay, and so we have the sum is n minus 2 times 180. And the same is true for the other, for regulars. Now, in addition, we can also find in a regular polygon the sum of, or excuse me, not the sum, the measure of one angle, okay? And we call those an interior angle because remember that the word interior means it's on the inside. So another one we have is I, and that stands for interior, equals n minus 2 times 180 over n. Remember, n stands for the number of sides. So in addition to finding the interior angles, we can also find the exterior angles. Exterior is on the outside. We can find the exterior angles in two ways. First off, we know an interior plus an exterior adds to 180. And that should make sense because an interior and exterior angle will be on a line and they end up being supplementary. Okay? We also have that we can find the sum of an or the measure of one exterior angle by doing 360 divided by the number of sides. So we'll definitely have a couple more formulas, but these are the ones that will help us get started. I want you to be thinking about them and just have them in your notes. These are important, and I will be giving you a quick worksheet just to test if you know these or not in the beginning of class on Thursday. So if you have these written down, you'll be set to go. Okay, thank you.